Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, November 19th, 2020. It is Think About It Thursday. So our quote for today is one I found that I really liked, and it says, "Everything is figure-outable." I'm not sure if figure-outable is a word, but it is a fantastic concept. We know that everything we come across, although we may seem really hard when we first see it or first learn about it, eventually we can figure it out and we can understand if we just keep trying. So everything is figure-outable. So when you come across that concept today that seems really tricky or really complicated, take a deep breath, listen to your teacher, think about it, use what you know, and you can figure it out. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having a sausage biscuit with fruit juice milk. For lunch, it's chicken tenders, green beans, and carrots. Tomorrow for breakfast, we have yogurt and cereal. And for lunch, we have corn dog, fries, garden salad. Today's birthdays, we have Autumn Dale, Tevin Eaton, and Zach Bolton. Happy birthday! It is the Step the Bus toy drive time again. Miss Smith in the library already has several toys, so make sure you get those toys in. We are collecting new unwrapped toys for our annual Step the Bus toy drive. You're going to send them into the library by December 7th, so that's the week after Thanksgiving break. Every child that donates a toy will get to wear their favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday, December 11th. So you do not want to miss out on wearing your favorite Christmas t-shirt and jeans to school while helping a really great cause to make someone's Christmas better. So get those toys in. A few important dates. Monday, November 30th through the December 4th, we have the growth monitoring. Tuesday, December 1st, we have tutoring beginning. Wednesday, December 2nd, we have PST, and it'll be extended PE time, and we have the flu shot clinic for the students. December 7th or December 8th is a Monday or Tuesday, and we'll have the Stuff the Bus pickup of all our toys that we've collected. Wednesday, December 9th, we have grade level meetings during extended PE. Friday, December 11th, the students and staff who donate a toy may wear jeans and a Christmas shirt on that day. And Friday, December 18th, every teacher's favorite is Feel Good Friday. We have a shout out to Miss Langford by Kylie Martin. Kylie wants to give a shout out to Miss Langford. She said Miss Langford is always teaching them new things that they didn't know and is very nice to her class. So shout out to Miss Langford. Students, if you have a shout out, or teachers, if you have a shout out, get those to me and we will get those on the morning announcements to shout out to all the folks that are doing a great job. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.